the bad news, James, kind of good news for the people that hang out with us. But the bad news is, and I'm curious to get your opinion on this, I think the world is getting worse in terms of their ability to be skillful, their ability to communicate, their ability to ebb and flow and move things forward. I think
Yeah.
potentially social media probably has a lot to do with it. But I've had producers that are, 7-figure people that come to me, and the minute they get faced with some sort of roadblock in the deal, they're just
They don't know how to problem solve.
yeah,
They don't
they
know how to
don't know,
work
and
around it.
I
Yeah.
wonder if, and I'm not trying to sound like an old man or something, but I wonder if it's this all these devices and the ability to go, I'm not into that, and just kind of swipe off of something and go. We don't sit with things long enough, and we're too quick in our society and as individuals to go, wait a minute, okay, what's going on here? Is this really dead? How
Yeah.
how can I be more skillful with this? How can what should I say when I'm reaching out besides, following up, checking in, that normal stuff? Why hasn't this agent or broker or team sent me any business? How can I, raise my hand and get in front of them?
Hey, Dad, what's the fastest way to start making more money in sales?
All right, it's not the only way, but the fastest way is to learn a simple system for closing. And I'm going to help everybody out on that right now. We've got a closing mini masterclass at Easton University. It's $300. Not for you. I'm going to cover the cost for you. I'll pay the $300. Just click the link here. You're going to get my closing mini masterclass for free. This is the fastest way for you to make more money. We're going to become best friends. You're going to be like, Matt Easton, I love you. I love you. I love you. And I'm going to be like, I love you too, because you're going to be closing a lot more deals. I'm covering the cost. Click the link. Let's get you closing.